welcome back to my channel. My name is Jane from Jane's Creative Life. If this is your very first time here, welcome, welcome, welcome. And if you are a return subscriber, thank you guys for coming back. Alright, in today's video, we're going to get straight into it. I was in the middle of doing some projects and I realized, girl, you are killing yourself. Things are getting bigger. Blessings on top of blessings is happening for you. You need a new machine. You need an additional machine. So I was getting ready to order a cutting machine from Heat Press Nation. It's more of the industrial type, well, commercial, because listen, there's levels to this stuff. And I figured, why not get an extra Cricut machine to move things along? Because I needed it the same day. I ran to Joann, and Joann only had one left, and they had this color. I'm not too crazy about the color. That don't go with none of my color theme in the office. I really want a black one, but for whatever reason, the black is not available. But anyway, so it's here, and we're going to unbox it to see what's inside of it. This is the Cricut Explorer Air 2. I don't really need it to do anything more than cut vinyls. Like I said, I am getting ready to get a cutting machine. This one's going to cut up to 30 inches. As you know, Cricut only go up to like 9.75 or 9 point something by 6.75, and that is hella small, especially if you're running a business. People would like larger image, just certain image that you want to do that maybe it's going to be on a canvas or a tablecloth, or so you need a bigger size cutting machine. For now, for what I do, for what I need it for, I'm actually going to have two Cricut machines. So it is investment in my business, and it's a well-spent investment, so I don't mind spending it. For those of you who are looking to buy a Cricut Explorer Air 2, it's everywhere. It's in Michael's, it's in Joann, it's in Walmart, it's in Amazon. It's always on Amazon. And also, you could always buy it secondhand. I don't recommend that because you just never know. But some people just really be selling it because they either upgraded or never used the Cricut. They got it for a gift, and for whatever reason they thought they wanted to get into crafting or designing or whatever it is that they needed it for, and they never managed to go around. They never opened it, so they selling it. So it's all type of reasons why someone would be selling the machine. So because you're buying it used, that don't necessarily mean something is wrong with it. The only thing is, I don't know if the coverage, I don't know if something happened to it, how you could go about fixing it or returning it or sending it to Cricut. But if I did find it used at a reasonable price, because I seen some was online for like $150, $125, $199, but every time I on Facebook Marketplace and on OfferUp, and every time I contact the seller, they'll be like, oh, it's sold. So hey, if I did find it used, your girl would have purchased it. But since I didn't find it used, I bought a brand new. We're gonna unbox it to see what exactly is inside of it. I'm pretty sure it's the same thing that's inside of the maker, but let's take a look. Again, this is the Cricut Explorer Air 2. I have it on the floor. Yes, you see the shadow of my phone. And actually, this is like a last minute video. So I was gonna open it and I was like, hey, let me film unbox a video. So that's why. First of all, what I'm seeing, it comes with a mat, a blue mat, which is like a standard mat, especially for paper and stuff like that. It's curved a little bit, so you may have to put it on top of something. It's a 12 by 12 mat. Then, as you can see, this has not been opened yet, which is good to know. And it comes with the instructions and how to set it up and how to protect your device. Basically, how to register your device and how to set it up. And then I'm going to get some help here because I want to break it. Alright, so don't unbox like me. It comes with the official Cricut sticker, so it's telling you to reuse this bag, keep it looking new. So I guess every time you're done with it, if you're the type who's like putting it away, you don't have a space to leave it out, so I guess this bag will come in handy. So we're gonna move that out the way. What else is inside the box? Then, oh, okay, they give you a pen. Oh, the Cricut Maker didn't give, oh yes they did. They did give me a pen. Yes they did. I was about to put the Cricut Maker down. Then they have the plug for you to plug it up. Then it comes with this plug. And that's pretty much it in the bag. So this is what the box says. It says up to 2 times faster. I don't believe that. So this is the color theme of my office, and this is like my setup. So it's black and white and gold, so that's why I didn't care for that color. So this is the Maker, and the difference between that and the Air 2 I'll show you in a minute. So this is my little setup here. I have my MV printing machine. I have my HP Office Jet machine. I have this shelf here where I have them on. I was thinking about getting the Cameo 4, the Plus, but I'm not sure about getting it anymore because I plan on getting a cutting machine that's gonna cut about 30 inches. So the Cameo, I was gonna get the Plus. It cuts about 14 inches, but I want to go a little bit bigger because I want to expand my business so I could really do stuff for companies and for, you know, for entrepreneurs and stuff like that who want to do different things like the tablecloths and all that. So I want to get a little bit of a larger cutting machine. But I'm going to put the Air 2 here. Just give me a minute. Sorry about the mess. This is not a office tour. So you guys, I'll be right back. You guys, I went ahead and plugged it up. It's easy as 1, 2, 3. Just connect the little thing in the back and plug it up. So this is the moment of truth. So the difference again with this and the Maker is the Maker is, I don't know why I have this on here. What is this? Let me take this off for a minute. I hear a package. Yeah, I don't know what was going on here. With the Maker, you don't have a button to press to open it. You would just pretty much, you would just lift up this part and then the rest open up by itself. Versus this one, you have to pretty much press the open and then it will open up by itself. Okay. So of course, self-explanatory. This is the power. This is my first time turning it on, you guys. Oh, don't forget to remove this. Okay. And this is the storage. What is this? I don't know what is this. I'm guessing this is another storage. I'm not reading nothing, you guys. This is my first time having an Air 2, and I'm just trying to figure it out. This is the reverse. This is the start, and this is the pause. This is the major difference is the dial. So with the Cricut Air 2, they give you dials versus the Maker. Everything is done on design space, which to me, I find that to be much easier. We'll see. And another difference that I see up front is with the Maker, it gives you a storage right up here. So this black space right here, if you wanted to put your mat, but because my stuff is on a shelf, in the past, I did used to use it for me to store paper and mats. Like if I'm working on I really got to clean this machine, you guys. There's these storage things that you could put your little scissors and you could put, you know, different stuff in here. Your needles, your pins and stuff like that right in the bottom. And that's basically it. So I'm going to try to turn it on to do one project. I want to see how simple it is to see if okay, you guys, I just wanted to jump in here and let you know there is a lot of difference between the Maker and the Air 2. The Maker did come last and the Air 2 came out before the Maker. However, I'm not gonna lie to you, I love the Air 2. It works way faster. Of course, the major difference is it don't cut wood, it don't cut leather, it don't cut fabric. But other than that, as a secondary machine to help move along the projects that you have, I think this is a great machine. I couldn't have asked for a better machine. I find myself using this machine way more to cut, especially when it comes to printable vinyl. I love it because the cuts are very precise. I feel like with the maker, it has a little bit too much pressure, and at times it messes up my printable projects. So keep that in mind when you are thinking about buying the Air 2. It's great, especially if you just need cuts. I found it to be very user friendly. So I just wanted to let you guys know. I know I didn't touch on a lot of stuff versus the differences. There's a lot of videos out there that'll specify what are the exact differences. Mine was just a little bit more of an unboxing and showing you and sharing a little bit of info as I go. So remember those little cards that I told you about earlier? So this is it. It's a pretty much a cheat card. It's gonna go through 1 through, I'm trying to do this with, let's see if I can do it this way. Okay, so this is the card. 1 says unleash the beauty, which is open the damn box. And 2 say get connected. So basically these cards, when you read the back of it, it tells you, I mean, they made this simpler because I don't remember my maker having this. So this is, I don't know if this always had it, but my maker didn't have that. It says plug in power in your fabulous new Cricut, which we did. Then 2 say get connected, which we have to go to Cricut.com setup, and they'll pretty much walk you through it. Now, because I already have the maker, I'm not sure how this is going to work or if I need to go through some of the same stages or steps as if I've never had one before. So we're going to find out. Make a little something. So it's telling you to go ahead and do a project. And let's see, what did this one say? Number 4 is bookmark this page. And it's basically telling you save it to your favorites. So you could always find it. We're going to see. And what else is in here? The book about it. If you want to read it, this is, I guess it'll walk you through everything, which I never read the book. Congratulations on your new machine. And oh, they gave you a little bit of a cardstock for you to practice with. Like they give you 3 little pieces of cardstock, which one of them have a stain on it. But okay, I didn't do that. And that's basically it. So right now I'm going to go on the Cricut website and put that information in. All right, you guys, this is a bonus clip in the video. So my machine is all set up. So while my machine was set up, I was working on my project. And then these are some onesies that I'm doing. But anyway, so I was confused because I was like, wait a minute, what do I do now? Because my machine is all set up. And I saw it said, like if you go to this arrow right here, let me see. If you go to this arrow right here, it tells me, you know, everything that I have. Like basically it'll tell you, are you the Cricut Joy? Are you using the Cricut Maker? Are you part of the Cricut Explorer family? So I chose that, but then I realized, wait a minute, so how do I work on 2 projects at the same time? Because if I were to go to make it, like if I were to go to make it, it would actually, sorry, let me go forward. So if I were to go to make it, right here would say only 1 machine. So then I was like, wait a minute. So how do I work on both? Duh. So what you have to do is actually open up a second design space, and there you have 2. So you see I have 1 down here and 1 up here. So then this one says the maker, and this one, it says Air 2. So now that's how you work on, sorry if you see in like the computer thingam, but that's how you work on 2 projects at the same time. And if you have 3 machines, 4 machines, 5 machines, at this, actually, if you get into the point where you need 3 machines, I don't think you need to buy a Cricut. At that point, you need to be buying a different type of cutter, something maybe that's more commercial, because that's mean your inventory is really high. Anyways, hope this helps someone, because it actually helped me, because I had to go find this information, and you don't have to find this information, because guess what? I added it in this video. So again, follow me on Instagram, Jane's Creation 2, if you want to see some of my work. If you want to shop with me, follow me on Miss Deals Finder on Instagram. See you in my next video, and you guys have a nice one. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and have a nice one. Oh, and leave in the bottom any video ideas that you have, because you guys, I'm trying. Again, like I said before, editing has been one of my worst nightmares, because I don't have time for it. My phone be full, because I videotape from my phone, because I find it very easy, because I actually have a M50 EOS M50 Canon. But listen, your girl ain't about to walk around with this big old camera. But anywho, see you in my next video. Love you guys. Bye bye.